Are you tired of manually calculating time zones for every meeting? Learn how to add a world clock to Google Calendar in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find the world clock setting, then how to add and customize your time zones. Let's dive in. First, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Then, click on Settings from the drop-down to access your calendar settings. In the Settings panel, click on World Clock in the left sidebar. Toggle on Show World Clock to enable the feature. Click on Add Time Zone to bring up the time zone selector. Type the name of the time zone you want to add into the search field. Then choose the time zone from the list that appears, and it will be added to your world clock. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.